What's up, YouTube? I got a box opening for you. Let's see what we can pull. Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy. Hoping to pull that Draco sack or the Soul Book of Judgment, either one. I'll be happy with Pinpoint Guard too. Alright. See what we got. Alright, we got a burner, little fairy, royal wing, reacting, go biggest, noble arms of destiny. I actually wanted that. I got a noble knight deck I was making. Leopard, Tatakawa, knight. Mermail, Kaio, Wolf, Burner, number 69, Memory Loss, High Tide, Stealth Ray, Shark Kraken. Once we start seeing the commons and stuff, I'm just going to start going through them. I'm not even going to mention them. Goo? I don't know. Mermail, Caillou, Wolf, Wheel of Prophecy. Garunix, Ice Beast 05, Fire Formation, Gecko. Got 2 super so far. Alright, Switch Hitter, Bachi, Glassjaw, Garunix, Fortress Tops, Rank Up Magic, Ultimate, there we go. There's our Ultimate. I think I've opened so far about 20 packs out of this set so far and have yet to get any of the Elemental Dragon rares. Switch Hitter, Fairy Cheer Girl, Dark Fairy Cheer. Pinpoint Guard, there's my secret. I kinda needed that for my Inzector deck. Elite Joke, Shark Kraken. Yeah, I'm gonna start to speed this up a little bit. Otherwise, it's gonna be extremely long. Spell, the Star Adjuster. Haven't seen that one yet. Oh, there's my first elemental title. Buffalo. There's that awesome Mind Drain common. Gauntlet Launcher Ultra. Butchy, Mind Drain. Dual Barrel Roll. Ghost Fairy, Elphobia. Super. You get 3 supers so far. I got an ultimate, an ultra, and a secret. Wolf. Pebbles. Rhino. Alright, 12 packs. Mind Drain. Be nice if I could pull some more of these E-Dragons. Another Mind Drain. Hysteric Sign. Oh no, it's not looking too good for the rest. Xyz's Revenge. Green Dustin. Another Green Dustin. I don't know, it seemed like the right side is a heck of a lot better than the left. I don't know, we'll see. See if we can be those lucky ones that pull a second secret. Ah, there we go. Tachyon. Awesome. I kind of needed that too. I'm just one of them people that make all kinds of decks. Harvey's Pet Phantasmal Dragon. Alright. It'd be nice if I could pull a second secret. I doubt it, but hey. You can always hope. Constellar Omega Ultra. There we go. And do a barrel roll. You know how we do. Alright. 2 more packs. And this one's gonna be a complete ass to me. There we go. King of the Feral Imps. Glassjaw. Butchy. Fairy Cheer Girl. Wind. Well, can we get our second secret in this last pack? Let's see what happens. Come on. Little Fairy, Aurora Wing, Reacting Pebbles, King of the Feral Imps, Mecha Phantom Beast Tetherwolf, and nothing. Alright, so thanks for watching. Peace.